Hello, friends. I'm Baby Bunny.
The dinner plate is quiet now. The stars begin to glow. A little brush, a little foam in the mirror's gentle show. Soft cotton sleeves to pull on tight. The day has tucked away its light. The day has tucked away its light.
Once upon a time,
now climb into the garden bed. Rest that tired, fuzzy head. The pages turn, a tale is spun of quiet moons and rising suns. Her voice is weaving soft and deep to guide us to the gates of sleep. The shadows stretch across the floor. We settle in, just words are slow. The breath is long, humming like a simple song. Safe within's a home in this quiet space. Drifting, drifting, soft